morning children, hope you all are fine. This is grade 3 science class. Now we are doing revision from block 2. In the previous class we have completed digestive and respiratory system. Hope you have completed all your works. Now today we are going to revise S3 and S4 children. So what is S3? Circulatory system and excretory system, and S4 nervous system. So S3 we have learned circulatory system, how it circulates the blood to all parts of the body, and excretory system we have learned how it removes the wastes from the body, and what are the different organs which helps in removing the wastes from the body, and nervous system, how it controls and coordinates the working system of all the organ systems in our body. So this we have covered in our S3 and S4. Now today we are going to revise this, learn the answers and practice the figures. Now let us learn from the reading. Now children, open your reader, page number 17. Today we are going to revise circulatory system, excretory systems and nervous system. What is circulatory system? Circulatory system, this system helps us to carry things from one part to other parts of the body. So this system helping us to carry things from one part to other parts of the body. The parts of this system are heart, artery, veins and blood. So what are the organs of this circulatory system? The heart, arteries, veins and blood. And the heart works like a pump and pushes the blood into the tubes called arteries. How the heart is working? It works like a pump and pushes the blood into the tubes called arteries. There are small tubes called arteries which helps to pump the blood to different parts of the body. And the arteries which carry blood to different parts of the body. The veins which carry blood back to the heart. From the heart, the arteries will carry to the all parts in the body, whereas the veins which carry blood back to the heart. And after reading the lesson, you are going to draw the figure of human circulatory system. Try to draw the figures and try to remember the labeling part of each figure. So you may get a figure, they may ask you to label the parts, or they may ask you to draw the figure and label the parts. So learn the figures children, human circulatory system. In this block all the systems is very very important. Now look at the next page. Now excretory system. This system helps us to throw out the wastes from the body. So excretory system help us to throw wastes from the body. There are many wastes thrown out from the body along with the sweat, through the skin, and carbon dioxide mixes with air that is breathed out. So many wastes, how it goes out? Through the sweat, through the skin and mixes with the carbon dioxide. When you are breathing out, it also wastes will go out through the sweat, skin and carbon dioxide. It is then thrown out through the nostrils. The liquid wastes from the blood is filtered by kidneys. What are the liquid wastes? Enters into the body. It also filtered by the kidneys and it is thrown out of the body as urine through the urinary system. So learn the excretory system, read the lesson and you are going to draw the figure of excretory system, bladder and ureter, kidneys and urethra. So all this you have to label the parts is also very very important children. You have to learn each and every diagram in this block. Now see the next one, nervous system. The main function of the system is to control and coordinate the working of the other systems. So what is the main function of this nervous system? It helps us to control and coordinate the working of the other systems. It makes all the systems, all the organ systems to be in a control and to coordinate their working. So it is made up of brain, spinal cord and the nerves. So the brain is the computer of our body. It receives information from the organs through the nerves and sends signals to the other organs to work. So how the brain works? Just like a computer of our body, it receives information from the organs through the nerves and sends signals to the other organs to the function of the organ system. So after reading the lesson, you are going to draw the figure and label the organs of that organ system. So brain, spinal cord, nerves to the rest of the body. So labeling is also very important. Draw the figure and label it. Blood is a liquid organ. Even you have to learn, did you know? You may get in objective type. And you are going to learn the glossary also, children. So glossary will help you to get the meaning of the hard words. Arteries, filter, larynx, nerve, organ, organ system, spinal cord and veins. So learn it and you have to draw the 3 figures. Today you are going to draw 3 figures and labeling, and we'll see practice questions. So today what you are going to complete? 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the role of the respiratory system? So already we have written all these answers. Which organs make up the circulatory system and what is the role of the circulatory system in our body? How does the nervous system work? And how do the organ system in our body depend on each other? Give an example to support your answer. So first you are going to write 5th and 6th. What is the role of the respiratory system and which organs make up the circulatory system? What is the role of the circulatory system? So already we have here the role of the circulatory system and role of the respiratory system. So role of the respiratory system from here and circulatory system from here to here. So write these 2 answers 2 times in your classwork. Revision part, day 3 revision. Now, and these 2 answers, 7th and 8th answer, you are not going to leave it, but you are going to learn thoroughly. How does the nervous system work? How do the organ system in our body depend on each other? Give an example to support your answer. Learn it thoroughly. Now we'll see the workbook, children. Now open your workbook, page number 16, children. Today you are going to practice S3 and S4. S3, circulatory and excretory system. Name the 3 things that we excrete from our body. Which organs and the organ system help us to excrete these? So this answer you are going to write in your revision part. 2 answers from the reader, practice questions I have given, and this first one you are going to write 2 times in your classwork. The skin throws out the sweat and the kidneys throws out the urine and the large intestine throws out the solid waste through the anus, and all these organs belongs to the excretory system. So how the waste is have been thrown out through which organs and which systems will help. So learn this answer and write 2 times in your classwork. Label the parts of the human circulatory system in the diagram given below. So you are going to label the parts of the circulatory system. Practice it. What role does blood play inside our body? So what role it plays? The blood transport many things like nutrients from digested food, oxygen and carbon dioxide from one part to another part of our body. So blood will help you to transport all the nutrients from the digested food and even the oxygen and carbon dioxide from one part to the other part. So this was the role of blood. So read this answer. Label the brain, spinal cord and nerves in the diagram of the nervous system. So already I said that they may ask you to label the parts or they may ask you to draw the figure. So here they are asking you to label the parts of the nervous system. So if you practice in the reader, you can easily do it without seeing from the reader. Now see the second one. Rekha sees an old friend of hers some distance away from her. She runs to meet her. Explain the role of the nervous system to recognize her friend. So the nerves from the eye will carry the message to the brain, and the brain sends back the message to the eye to see. So the nerves in the eye, they will carry the message to the brain, and the brain, what it do? The brain, it will send the message to the eyes to see her. So in this way, it is the role of the nervous system will play. Now, see the third one. The Suhani met with an accident and suffered an injury to the brain. Will there be any effect on the other organ system? Why or why not? Yes, absolutely. The brain gets injured. It might not be able to send the signals properly to the organs and the organ systems of our body. Why? Because the nervous system controls all other systems of the body. Because each and every system is being, each system is being linked up. So here, without the message to the any organ system from the brain, it doesn't work. So it will have effect. So absolutely the brain gets injured. It might not be able to send the signals properly to the organs and the organ systems of our body. Why? Because the nervous system controls all the other systems of the body. So in this way, read all the answers thoroughly, read the lesson, practice the figures and try to label without saying, and complete the 3 answers which are given, 2 practice questions and 1 from the workbook. So do this. Okay children, write 2 times in your classwork and draw the figures.